Okay, hello again everybody and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can make an invisible folder. So just so you know, there's one hidden or invisible folder right here on the desktop, and it's hidden in plain sight. You guys cannot see it, or maybe if you look closer you can, who knows. But just to state that this is an invisible folder, and by no means is this an encrypted folder. Now if you want to password protect your files and hide them away in a folder that nobody can even access without a particular password, then this video isn't for you. But I have made a video of that kind in the past, so I'll just link it in the description and it will be in the top right corner. So yeah, so I mentioned about the hidden folder, and as you can see, this is 1, 2, but there's total of 3 items on this desktop, and the third one is right here. So now that I'm moving this, you can see there's a folder here, and the reason you can see this light outline is because the icons are pretty big. Now if you turn it down, you cannot even see that outline anymore, right? It's still there, but you cannot see even the outline. So that's how this one works. This is not safe, but you can definitely fool people around who are unaware of this method or something, and it is definitely easy to make. Now just so you know, this is a folder. I'm just gonna open it up, and yeah, I have a few files here. So let's I need to take this to the recycle bin because, well, I'll tell you that later. And let's create a new folder now. So all you need to do is right click on your desktop or wherever you want the new folder, and I'd suggest it will be on the desktop, because if you create this in like a drive, it'll have no name, so it'll just be enlisted on the top and you'll still have the icon. So that's a bad idea, so just keep it on your desktop. So just right click new folder and just leave it here, and what I want you to do is press start, type in character map. What we are going to do is take a blank space character from the character map and use that as the name, because you can obviously put space, but that is not an acceptable character. But this, however, is an acceptable character. Now all you need to do is find this one, select it, and hit copy from here. Now once you've copied that is in your clipboard. Don't copy anything else. Just right click on your folder and head on over to rename and paste it right here. Now this is considered to be a character, and you can exit out of that. Now that makes your name go invisible. What about the icon? That is pretty simple. Right click on your folder, go to properties, and head on over to customize, change your icon. You need to pick a blank icon like this or this, whatever. I'm gonna go with the middle one. Okay, apply, and okay, and there you have it. You have a hidden folder. The folder is fully functional, however, and the reason I had to delete my previous folder is because this has a name actually, though you cannot see it, but this has a name, and that name is the blank character. Now if I had that one and I try to make this one, the names will conflict and it will just ask me for a new name. So you can only have one of this on your desktop, so beware what you store. But it's a folder and you can store anything, so I don't think you need more than one anyway. And yeah, that was the video. Hope you guys like it. Comment if you have some difficulties. Well, I don't see any difficulties here, but whatever. And subscribe for more such videos, and thank you guys for watching.